Welcome to IT and Graphic World. Using Photoshop can be a fun and creative process. Here's a basic guide to get you started. Install Photoshop. If you haven't already, download and install Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Open Photoshop, launch the application after installation. Workspace Overview. Familiarize yourself with the different panels and tools. Photoshop has various tools on the left, panels on the right, and menus on top. Opening an image, go to File greater than Open and browse your computer to select an image to work on. Basic tools. Move tool, V, used to move layers and selections. Marquee tools, M, create selections in different shapes, rectangle, ellipse, etc. Lasso tools, L, create freehand selections. Brush tool, B, paint and draw on your image. Eraser tool, E, erase parts of your image or layer. Text tool, T, add text to your image. Layers. Layers are essential in Photoshop as they allow you to work on different parts of your image independently. You can create, delete, duplicate, and rearrange layers. Use the Layers panel to manage them. Basic editing. To resize an image, go to Image Size. To crop, use the Crop tool, C, or go to Image Crop. Adjustments such as brightness, contrast, and saturation can be made under Image Adjustments. Filters and effects. Experiment with filters to apply various effects to your image. Find them under Filter. Text and typography. Select the Text tool, T, click on the image, and start typing. Use the character and paragraph panels to adjust text formatting. Saving your work. Save your work in PSD format to preserve layers and editable elements. To save for web or sharing, go to File Export as or File Save for web. Undo and history. Made a mistake. Use Ctrl+Z, Windows, or Command+Z, Mac, to undo. You can also use the History panel to revert to earlier states. Resources and tutorials. There are countless online tutorials and resources available to help you learn more about Photoshop. Websites like Adobe's official tutorials, YouTube, and various blogs offer step-by-step guidance. Remember, Photoshop is a powerful tool with a steep learning curve. Don't get discouraged if you don't master it right away. Start with simple tasks and gradually explore more advanced features as you become comfortable with the basics.